Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASRock Z790I and B760I Lightning WiFi motherboards. So friends, this is equipped with a robust 14+1+1 power phase design and an optimized memory layout. This motherboard fully unleashes the powerful performance of Intel Core 14th generation K series processor, offering top-tier memory overclocking capabilities for supporting DDR5-8600 plus memory modules. They present an excellent choice for gamers and mini PC enthusiasts seeking the ultimate overclocking performance. The Z790I Lightning Wi-Fi has achieved full overclocking world records on hwbot.org with Intel Core i9 4900 4900K processor, and additionally the B760I Lightning WiFi received the Best Motherboard Award at CES 2024 from Tom's Hardware and Friend. Both motherboards feature 14+1+1 phase 110 ampere SPS DRMOS VRM, outperforming competing ITX offering, and ASRock has custom designed a composite cooling solution for these boards and including enlarged aluminum heatsink, heat pipe and MOS fan, delivering robust cooling performance to enhance overclocking capabilities, and this superior cooling ensures the processors perform at their peak. And friend, both the Z790I Lightning WiFi and B760I Lightning WiFi motherboard utilize server-grade low-loss 8-layer 2OZ copper PCBs and optimized DDR5 memory design, pioneering support for 8600 MHz memory for unparalleled overclocking support, and each board features one PCIe 5.0x16 slot, two Hyper M.2 slot, Phantom Gaming 2.5 GB LAN, 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6E and USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A and Type C port, offering an abundance of high-speed connectivity options. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.